Hey gang, welcome to Pat's Marine. Today I'm going to be reinstalling the cylinder head on this boat right here. We'll catch up with the rest of the gang from Pat's Marine here. So here's the cylinder head. I'm going to reinstall all the studs on it. It just got milled. You can see nice new finish on it there. New valve seals, new valve seats as well, so it should be good to go. So I'm gonna crack into this boat right here, and we'll probably do some time-lapse stuff on here as well. Cool, here we go. Here we go. Alright guys, got the head bolts torqued down 30, 60, 90. So I'm going to go one more pass of 90 just to check them all, make sure. And then I'm going to oil up the push rods. I'm going to drop those in. They go in these holes right here. One more part to go.